Good morning. I'm trying to elevate my voice because I do not feel good. I don't I don't feel very well because I ate something I should not have. This video is going to be about supplements and how do I know that they work? How do I know if they are working? Um, my sister asked me if her supplements were working. One of my other sisters, her name, well, I won't give her name. But anyway, she is taking my Candida Fighter, and I was taking my hormone adjustment, and I have some really good results that I can't wait to talk to you guys about, including weight loss. Um, but the Candida Fighter, and I'm sorry when I talk to you guys about that. That's not going to be in this video, so I just want to make that clear. That's going to be in the future with my course that I'm coming out with on my website. I'm going to have a fitness course on there. It will be a paid course and it will be videos. So, the Candida Fighter, how do you know it's working? I changed the dosage to 2 pills per day as needed. And then I also put a little leaflet in with the product saying that you can increase it or decrease it based on your results because everybody is different. So, with her, she had immediate results. However, she is someone who detoxes every now and then, and she does cleanses every now and then. She also takes vitamins daily. So her body is not new to, you know, healthy habits, which is a good thing. So when she started taking the Candida Fighter, it she began having hot sweats, and I think she said it was making her go to the bathroom right away, which is a good thing because it means that it increased her metabolism. It increased all the little bodies, all each process that the body needs in order to perform optimally. And that's exactly what it did for her. So, and that was only with 2 pills a day. So after about a week or so, give or take, maybe a couple days more than a week, she, a lot of her symptoms subsided and she began increasing her dosage to 3 pills a day. So here we are, I would say possibly a little over 2 weeks later, maybe 2 weeks. And she asked me if, how do I know it's still working? I'm not having any of the symptoms that I had when I initially started. So how do I know it's still working? Well, I asked her, I'm like, well, so you're no longer having a lot of elimination or what's going on? Do you feel like maybe you're having too much iron and you're not going to the bathroom? And she said, I feel like I can, go to the bathroom more. So, of course, that would include increasing your water intake. Um, but also, um, just the foods that you eat to start your day. You always want to break your fast. This is a little hint in terms of the first thing you have for breakfast. And most people, when they're intermittent fasting, if you're intermittent fasting or not, whatever you have to break your fast from overnight, meaning you didn't eat while you were sleeping, the wisest thing to take would be fruit because fruit goes straight through your body and the body can handle that. But because our bodies work on a time schedule called circadian rhythms, your body is really not technically ready to digest anything in the morning. So breakfast really should be brunch or lunch. You really should have breakfast around noontime, if at all possible, which is why intermittent fasting works so wonderfully for people. And it helps them lose weight. It's because it increases the body's metabolism. You are not putting anything in your body too soon. It's equivalent to putting something in your body in the middle of the night when your body wants to be resting. In the morning, it is still um, working on the digestive process, and it's not ready to add anything new to it's not ready for new fuel yet. So if you must have something, let it be fruit and something that you can drink, you know, water or fresh juice, um, veggies or fruit or whatever. Well, fruit more than veggies. I'll get into that another time. Um, so I told her, I'm like, okay, you already know. She's already familiar with me and what I tell her to do to help her, be more regular going to the bathroom. But I have to ask a series of questions because here's the thing. A lot of times when people are taking supplements, they don't know what to look for, or they're expecting some serious side effects, or, my body needs to be like fireworks when I'm on these supplements. Like each day, it needs to be like fireworks. That's not necessarily true. The one thing that I did ask her was, are you still feeling a little bit of a rise, the slight rise in body temperature? And she said, oh, yeah, I'm still very warm. She said, even a friend of ours noticed how, warm to the touch she was. Not feverish, just warm. I'm like, "Ugh, don't increase your dosage then," because she was asking, should she increase her dosage? I'm like, no, you're not going to have um, very remarkable, extraordinary results each day you're on the Candida cleanse. But knowing that your body is warm to the touch, and knowing that when you work out, you still sweat buckets. That's another thing that she told me was a side effect of her taking the Candida Fighter. It revved up her metabolism to the point where when she works out, she notices more of a burn. She's burning more calories. So I told her to get on the scale. I was like, because we're going to use you as a testimony. We want to see these results. We want to show people, what happens when you take care of your body. So you don't always have to, this is the moral of the long story of my rant. You don't always have to be having extreme symptoms when you're on a cleanse, especially depending on what your body is already used to, what your body is already used to metabolizing, or maybe your body is not used to healthy habits. When that is the case, you may notice a little bit more of a result than people who, has never really been on anything. I feel like I'm having a little bit of brain fog because, okay, going back to what I did yesterday, I ate something I should not have because she's not perfect. I ate something a little greasy while I'm taking my supplements, and I knew as soon as it was going down going down my digestive tract. I felt it. I was like, oh, I'm in trouble. I'm in trouble. So last night, which is why you didn't see a video from me, I was not well last night. And this morning, I still feel a little brain foggy, a little slow, but I'm feeling a lot better. So, but yeah, that's what to look for when you are taking supplements. If you have any questions, please comment below. If you have something a little bit more personal that you'd like to discuss, please feel free to email me at info@julywellness.com. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and don't forget to give me a thumbs up, please. Thank you and goodbye. Have a good day, you guys.